In tense, present indefinite tense is first tense. What is the recognition? We find ता है, ती है, ते हैं, ताहू in the sentence end means action goes on. Rules: he, she, it, with he, she, it or any name. Be put first form of verb with es and s. And with I, you, we, they or plural subject. Be put first form of verb. In negative, with he, she, it or any name. Be put does not plus first form of verb. With I, you, we, they, be put or plural subject. Be put do not plus first form of verb. Present indefinite tense. Which tense is not definite, that is called present indefinite tense. Recognition, action goes on. We find ता है, ती है, ते हैं, ताहू in the end of sentences. Rules: he, with he, she, it or any name. Be put first form of verb with es or s. Second rules: I, you, we, they are plural subject. Be put first form of verb. There are four forms as present tense, past tense, perfect tense, present participle. First form, second form, third form and ing form. There are the four forms. In negative, he, she, it or any name does not plus first form of verb. With I, you, we, they or plural subject, we use do not plus first form of verb. H, वह जाता है. Who goes? Answer is that he. He is the subject. Goes. He goes. If we find O, C, H, double S, S in the end of verb, we put es with such a subject, he, she, it or any name. वह नहीं जाता है. Where we find nahi or na, it is negative. The rules is that he does not go. At that time we remove es. क्या वह जाता है? There are four types of sentences: affirmative, negative, interrogative, interrogative plus negative. Affirmative, such type of sentences there are accepted to be something. Negative, such type of sentences there are refused. Interrogative, such type of sentences there are asked question. Such type of interrogative plus negative, such type of sentences there are asked a question and refused. क्या वह जाता है? It is interrogative sentence. क्या वह जाता है? You should put does in the beginning. Does he go? मैं जाता हूं, मैं जाता हूं। मैं मीन्स आई, इट इज सिमिलर बट हियर यूज्ड एज ए प्लूरल। आई गो, मैं नहीं जाता हूं। Which type of sentence is this? Negative. I do not go. I do not go. क्या मैं जाता हूं? You should put do in the beginning. क्या मैं जाता हूं? Do I go? Do I go? There are three types of sentences here are depicted. One is another sentence. क्या मैं नहीं जाता हूं? नहीं जाता हूं। It is a interrogative plus negative sentence. With I, you, be there, we put do in the beginning. Do I not go? These are first type of rules of interrogative. Now I shall tell you about WH type question. WH type question. Where we find what, who, whom, whose, where, how many, how much, how long. These are the WH type question. Where we find WH in the beginning. We rules is that we put WH type words in the beginning. After that, we put do or does according subject. Do or does according subject. तुम क्या करते हो? तुम क्या करते हो? When we find kya in the middle, we put what in the beginning. When we find kya in the beginning, we put helping verbs. What do you do? वह कहाँ रहता है? वह कहाँ रहता है? What is the meaning of कहाँ? Where? Where does he live? Where does he live? In the beginning we put the meaning of kaha. After that we put helping verb do does according subject. After that we put main verb first form of main verb. Who? We do not put do or does. But in the negative, we put do or does. Where we use does with he, she, it or any name, we put does. Where we put do, we put do with I, you, we, they are plural subject. Who? कौन जाता है? What is the meaning of कौन? Who? Goes. Who is singular and plural both? Who कौन जाते हैं? Who go? Here is not put do or does because it is not negative. In negative, if who is negative, who comes with negative, we put do does. कौन नहीं जाता है? नहीं जाता है. Who does not go? कौन नहीं जाते हैं? जाते हैं. Who do not go? It is plural. Who कौन नहीं जाता? Who does not go? It is singular. कौन नहीं जाते? It is plural. Who is used both singular or plural? Who do not go? What is the meaning of own? What is the meaning of own? Be put with I, my. आई के साथ अपने की अंग्रेजी माई रखते हैं. बी पुट आवर विद बी, यू विद योर, ही हिज, सी हर, it, its, they, their. With I subject, be put my for own, be put with be our, you your, he his, she her, it its, they their. What do we put with be for own meaning? Our. What we put your with whom, with we put with you your, he his, she her, it its, they their. Thank you very much.